Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a Toyota Supra on GTA V. Start by scouting common spawn areas like highways and beach districts, then plan a silent approach with a mask. Use a fast escape vehicle or tow truck to move the car to a mod shop. Avoid police by timing your attempt during low traffic and always have a backup route ready before you commit. Drive to known spawn areas like Vespucci Beach, La Puerta Docks, or the highway for higher chance of finding sports cars. Bring a mask, a fast motorcycle for quick escape, and a tow truck or flatbed if you plan to transport the Supra. Approach calmly, disable alarms, and avoid police attention by using side streets and timing your actions during low traffic windows to reduce heat. Practice first. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading courses, books, and notes comfortable and distraction-free, perfect for study sessions on the go. I find it helps me read more and retain concepts between lessons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Build data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.